Hi again, everybody. It's Scott with EZTravelPad, and today I'm coming to you from the lush, the beautiful, the very, very beautiful Sandals Halcyon Beach on the gorgeous island of St Lucia. Simply beautiful. So Halcyon Beach is a boutique style resort. Of course, it's Sandals, so it's adult couples only, and it's luxury included. But it's on the smaller side of things, so a little bit more compact, a little less restaurant options. However, being located in between both Sandals Grand St Lucia, about 15 minutes to the north, and Sandals Regency Latak, about 15 miles to the south, you've got full range of restaurants, complimentary. So stay at 1, play at 3. There's abundant opportunities. But let's have a look around, see if this might be the right Sandals resort for you. And if you love a botanical garden, quiet, except for the road noise, then I think this is really going to be a nice one for you. Let's have a look. As you arrive and enter Porte Cochere, there is gift shops right across from the main reception, all open air, still quite comfortable. And then if you're club level, you'll arrive, be taken to the club lounge, and at Club Sandals you can complete your check-in. Now if you're a butler level guest, then the butler will greet you upon arrival and complete your check-in after they take you to your room. Also off the main lobby, you can make some reservations at the Red Lane Spa. Also, Island Routes, this is your place for all of the island tours, and you don't want to miss. There's some fantastic experiences to be had here on the island. And then when it's time to rebook your Sandals, doing so at Loyalty and Travel is a good idea. You just need to let me know that you've done so. You're going to get a good discount on resort. We just do a little bit of paperwork and transfer the reservation over. It's very slick and easy, and I can help you from there. Pool tables for your entertainment are poolside at the main pool, where you're going to find swim at bar entertainment. A little while ago there was water aerobics. Probably going to have some pool volleyball after a while. Play Connect 4 or just chill out. Now, one of the restaurants you're definitely going to need reservations for is Kelly's Dockside. This is overwater restaurant. It's Caribbean inspired, lots of seafood. It's on piers over the water. The views are terrific. Let's just have a look inside. Now, it's available for breakfast a la carte and dinner a la carte, dinner requiring reservations. It is very popular and it's gorgeous. You can see how terrific the views are. Near the main pool is Bayside, the primary restaurant for breakfast, lunch, dinner. Breakfast is going to be a buffet. Lunch is going to be a la carte, as is dinner. And you can hear the waves from your table at Bayside. It's what the Caribbean's all about. From this angle, you can get a better sense of Bayside and what it's all about. And then just next door in the AC for dinner is Mario's Italian Cuisine. It's fantastic. In the evening, just about sunset, fire pit's gonna turn on, sun's gonna set near that island over the Caribbean. Beautiful moments of relaxation right there. There are essentially two sections of beach at Halcyon Beach. That which is south of Kelly's Dockside and that which is north. This is the south side. Both are essentially the same. You can see how spread out chairs are. Lots and lots of space. Water's pretty nice today. For lunch and also for late night, Beach Bistro is your spot. Late night snacks, and again, just got that fantastic view. One of my favorite club level rooms has got to be this, because they're beachfront. They've got a soaking tub on the patio, perfect for watching the sunset in the evening. For a smaller wedding, this gazebo overlooking the Caribbean is fantastic, and there's some outdoor spaces nearby in the gardens that are great for receptions as well. Many of the beachfront rooms at Halcyon Beach were expanded a few years back with accommodation for swim up, which is terrific. Again, just steps from the beach as well. This is the Caribbean Village, where primarily these are all club level rooms, lots of areas for relaxation, play some croquet, maybe some bocce ball. Just enjoy the beauty. This place is like a botanical garden. So many flowers, tropical vegetation. A little ways back from the beach is going to be the Honeymoon Hideaway Village, where there is a long, meandering pool that wraps all the way through this area. This is primarily all of your luxury, and some club level rooms are in this area, and it's also the home for the quiet pool. And even though it is a little bit more quiet here in the Honeymoon Hideaway Village, there still is a swim-up bar, still are fun games, fun to be had with your friends, and meeting and making new acquaintances as well. As well, there are some cabanas that are available poolside. First come, first serve, no extra charge. Back near the Honeymoon Hideaway Village is Pizza Truck by Solo. Man, it smells great. Now, if you'd like to get some exercise outside of the fitness area, then there are lighted tennis courts that are available, and also pickleball as well. Now, all of the restaurants are resort casual for dinner, and most of the restaurants do not require reservations. However, Kimonos is one that does, as well as Kelly's Dockside. There are not very many places that are nicer, more beautiful to get married than in a place like St Lucia. And they have an excellent weddings department here as well. A couple other activities to enjoy, usually in the evening, late afternoon. You can in the morning if you like. Shuffleboard and lawn chess. Walking through, you can get a feel for just how lush and tropical this resort is. The way I like to describe it is as a botanical garden, but with lots of very, very mature trees, all sorts of tropical flowers and other tropical plants, and none of the rooms, none of the buildings are more than 2 stories. Most are single story, so you'd hardly even know this resort was here if you were flying over in a helicopter. And it's also quite convenient to get around. Nothing's more than maybe a 3-minute walk from the beach at most. The second highest room category at Sandals Halcyon Beach is the rondoval. Tall ceilings like your own personal bungalow set back into the tropical paradise. Private plunge pool, outdoor, totally secluded, much, much more. Outdoor tub, indoor tub, outdoor shower, indoor outdoor shower. The rondovals are fantastic. The fitness facility is well equipped with plenty of free weights, machines, good cardio options, and staff to help you with any questions that you have. Then to the north of Kelly's Dockside, the beach extends, and it is a public beach, so there could be some people that are selling items. You can also take pretty nice long walks on the beach as well. If you're looking for the water sports area, you're going to look for the weather station. The coconut's still, so it's a calm day. Water sports are terrific here at Sandals with Hobie Cats available, kayaks, windsurfing, and more. Beyond the non-motorized water sports, there also is included, as with any Sandals resort, scuba diving. And if you're certified, you may need to do a quick recert in the pool. If you've not been scuba diving before, they have an excellent PADI course. Get certified right here while you're on resort. And the staff is always having fun and friendly. Now on the far north end of the resort, a new construction. They've built a handful of new rooms, some rondovals in back, which have ultimate privacy, and then the Halcyon Shore House here with a few rooms, a couple with a private plunge pool and amazing large patios, and then on the second floor without the plunge pool but with an amazing view, which is great all day and wonderful at sunset. Alright, so that's going to do it for our tour today of Sandals Halcyon Beach. I'm sure you can see how beautiful it is. Just a tropical garden, right? And with 194 rooms currently, it's a comfortable sized resort. Ample restaurants, but if you want more, again, the stay at one, play at three feature with Sandals here in St Lucia expands the restaurant options immensely. When it's time for your next great vacation, hope you reach out to your friends in the travel business here at EZTravelPad. We do not charge fees. We know what we're doing, got a tremendous amount of experience and a lot of happy customers. So please reach out when it's time, and thanks again for joining us.